Hello and welcome to another session of Python. And last time I have sent this to you. In this, you have seen that we can logically compare two numbers, and that is 2 is less than 3. Okay, that is true. 1 is greater than 2, that is false. And 49 is greater than 9, that is true. It's very simple. I hope all of you have understand it. Uh, and 3 is less than 4, 3 is less than 2, 2 is equal to. Yes, if you want to compare two numbers for equals to, then you have equals and then for equality, then you need to put double equal to sign. Yes, दो equal to sign लगाने पड़ते हैं यहाँ पे. Okay, that in this case 2 is equal to 2 is equal to 3. That is not correct. That's why the interpreter is giving false. 2 is equal to 2. That is true. 2 is not equal to 3. It means if two numbers are not equal, then you need to put exclamation sign and equal to sign. Exclamation sign represent not operator, and equal to is as usual. So not equal to 2, not equal to 3, that is true. Okay, and 2 is equal to 2, true. 2 is equal to 3, false. Okay, so now again I am going to open Python PyDroid 3, and again I'm opening interpreter. This window comes. I know the fonts are very small, but uh, again we can try few more. Actually, yesterday I was facing too much problem for sending videos. I couldn't send the video because internet speed was so slow. That's why I am trying once again to send it today only. See, so the spaces is no matter. I have given the spaces between 5 and 5 for readability. ओके, जैसे आप लोग देख सकें सब, इस वजह से मैंने ऐसा किया. 5 is equal to not equal to 5, that is false. Okay, 5 5, that is true. Okay, now we are going to try multiple condition problem. Multiple condition means if you are comparing more than two numbers. Okay, in that case what will happen? See, 5 5 is 5 is less than 4. If you want to compare more than two numbers, then you need to put and or operator. Here you can see the result. 3 3 is greater than 1. See, the result is false because 5 is less than 4 is false, and 3 is greater than 1, that is, the first condition is false, but the second condition is true. But to evaluate the whole thing, both first and second condition should be true. So in this case, the first condition is false, so we got the total result as false. One more. See, 2 is greater than 1, true, but and 6 is greater than 3 is also true. So overall result is true. Okay. More example like this. 5 is greater than 3 and 6 is greater than 3. 2 is greater than 0 and you can verify or compare more than 2 or more numbers. Here we have verified 6 numbers. Here we are comparing 6 numbers, 2 numbers at a time. Okay, so we are getting the result like this. Because 5 is greater than 3 is correct, 6 is greater than 3 is correct, and 2 is greater than 0 is also correct. That's why we are getting true. No problem. In another another operator is or. Or means either of one condition is true, the overall result is true. Okay, let's see some more. Here you see 3 is less than 2, false, or 14 is greater than 10, that is true. Means first condition is false but the second condition is true. We get the result true because in or operator says कि either of one condition is true, the overall result is true. दोनों में से कोई भी एक रिजल्ट अगर ट्रू होता है तो दोनों में से कोई भी कंडीशन अगर ट्रू होती है तो ओवरऑल रिजल्ट हमारा ट्रू हमें मिलता है. ओके, सम मोर. Here 3 is less than 2. One second. Okay. In this first condition is true. First condition is false and the second condition is also false. So we get the result false. इससे हमें ये समझ में आता है कि अगर और कंडीशन हमने दी है और ऑपरेटर यूज़ कर रहे हैं तो जितनी भी फॉल्स रिजल्ट आने के लिए सारी कंडीशन का फॉल्स होना ज़रूरी है. दोनों कंडीशंस का फॉल्स होना ज़रूरी है तभी हमें फॉल्स रिजल्ट मिलेगा. और ओके, थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग. होप यू enjoy the video. We will meet tomorrow.